Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a short DIY tutorial on how to tie satin fabric on your head by yourself. If you love this video, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you all so much. Thank you. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the fabric. Thereafter I made 4 pleats on my head. The rule for this particular tutorial today is 80-20, so one hand of the fabric has to really be longer than the other hand of the fabric. So at this point I'm just tracing the pleats down. I'm just arranging the pleats properly so that it comes out really nice and beautiful. So I'm going to pick the longest hand of the fabric and I'm going to make some pleats just to make sure that everything that I'm doing on my head is neat. And thereon, at this point, I'm going to pin this part that I am holding right now. I'm just going to pin it to the base fabric so that everything stays firm on my head and so that it doesn't unravel. Tying this particular fabric on your head does not take too much time at all, especially when you're already used to it. So I'm going to turn the fabric to the other side of my head. I'm not going to make pleats on the left hand side of my face. I'm just going to turn it over to the right hand side of my face, and then I'm going to create some ruffles. If you've watched my previous videos, you're going to know and you're going to discover how to make ruffles. It's not difficult at all, and it's mostly the beauty of any type of satin fabric at all. So I'm going to use my hand to create some little pleats. I'm going to lift the fabric up a little bit. After making my pleats, I'm just going to pin it down there. So I'm going to be creating the ruffles till I reach the back of my head. I'm just going to create the ruffles till I reach the back of my head, and then I'll be pinning them together so that it doesn't stand alone. I'm just going to pin everything together. Most times I see on my social media accounts people coming to my DM telling me that they prefer tying on someone than tying on themselves. But I tell you today that as long as you do this 1, 2, 3, 4 times, your hands become more flexible and then it becomes easier tying on yourself. Like, I can actually tie for myself and tie for anybody at all because I've been doing this for quite some time. But all I'm saying is that as long as you keep practicing, your hands become flexible and it no longer becomes difficult. So I used the remaining part of the fabric, I took it to the back and pinned it. So at this point I'll just be arranging the fabric properly so that it comes out really beautiful and the way that I want. At this point you can actually style the fabric to your own taste. So that is what I am doing right now. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, be it ASO'OKE, satin material, any one at all, please do, because it's really going to help you to know how to. And if you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you'll definitely be the first to know. That is what the back of the material, the fabric, should look like. If your fabric is big enough, you can make it closed at the back. You can close everything at the back, but if it's not that big, you can just open everything at the back. It still goes the same way. I love you all so much. Thank you all for watching, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.